Hey guys, this is Canon I-Sensys MF651Cw. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1. In the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. If you check my video, you see how we connected this printer, okay, to a network and connect it together using the laptop. But what I want to do now is to show you how to scan document from this printer to laptop. But we need to first of all install the Canon utility, and you get this from Canon website. You can download the driver and software. So we need to download the software, which we need is individual software. This MF scan utility, you need to download it. So download window 32-bit/64-bit MF scan utility. So that so select download. Okay, so this is scan utility is downloading. Now open it up. Canon application. Do you want to allow this app? Select yes. Okay, so now is a okay. This is scan utility. Click next. Okay, select the language, English. Click next. Click yes. And installation of Canon MF scan utility is complete. Click complete. Okay, so now the scan utility is completed. Okay, now to scan the document, what we need to do is we need to go to the printer. Okay, stick the document to the scanner. Document you want to scan to the scanner, face down, close it. Now the next thing to do is you need to go to the LCD screen and select scan. Okay, from the scan you see computer, memory stick, email. So select computer and you select laptop. Okay, now you need to select the color, or black and white, or custom 1 or 2. So select color, okay, and select scan start. Now this document is scanning. Okay, so scanning is taking place. Here we go. And if you look at the laptop, you can see the document is scanning. Okay, you can see the document is scanned, and this is the document here. Okay, this is the document. If you want to scan the second one, open it up. Okay, and stick the document again here. Select scan, then select the laptop and select color, select scan. Here we go. You can see it's scanning. Now this is the first one and second one, so you can do this as many. You can see the first one here, okay, and scroll down. This is the second one. So this is the document we scan from this printer, okay, and scan it to the laptop. Now to print this document out, you can also save this document. You can also save this document. If you want to save this document, you need to select the 3 dots on top. Then it will give you option for you to select save as. Now you go to your laptop and save this document where you want to save it. Okay, so I want to save it, for instance, in the document section. Then you can also type the name you want to save this document with. Okay, and click save. So make sure you select, click save. Now this document is saved. If you want to send this document to somebody, you can also select share. Select share. Now I give you option for you to share this. Okay, select copy file. Another way to do this, if you can't share it direct from here, okay, another way to do it is for you to go to your email address. Go to your email address and create new. Okay, you paste the file here. or you go and insert. So type the email address, the person you want to send this document to. I want to send it back to myself. Okay, then insert file, go to your file where we save the document. So we go to the document section and type VR. Okay, and here we go. This is the document we saved today. Okay, this is the document. Okay, insert it, click it, open. Now this document is inserted. Here it is. Okay, so it's inserted. Then you type the subject, hi, type the detail you want to send to the person, and click send. Now this document is sent to my inbox. Okay, so pretty much our job here is done. Now only what you need to do, you need to just exercise person for a few. Here we go. The document just arrived to my inbox. Click it, open. This is the document we sent to my inbox. Okay, so this is exactly how to scan document, okay, from Canon I-Sensys MF651Cw to your laptop, then print it out, okay, or save it. If you want to print it out, to print this document out, we scan. Okay, what you need to do, you need to select print, select the three dots. Okay, then look for the printer, select print instead of saving, then you select print, and then you select portrait and how many copies you want to print. Okay, then fill all the information here, A4 and paper type. Once you've done that, then select print. Now this document is going to print from here. Here we go. This is the document we scanned. This is the document we scanned, printed it out from this printer. Okay, we scan this original. This is the original one here. We scan it to the computer, save it, share it as email, and also printed it out. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed.